Let's get more reaction to the housing starts number. And for that, we turn to Diana Olick. Diana, what do you think?
Well, Becky, these numbers are worse than expected, especially on the starts, not so much the permits. But I don't think that we need to say that these are going to somehow surprise to the downside anymore. They're going to get a lot worse in April. This was March, remember, and the worst of all of the shutdown didn't start until the end of March, early April. So when we see these numbers now, they're back to about, on single family specifically, we're looking at 856,000 starts. We're back to where we were last summer. And believe it or not, that's still 2.8% higher than 1 year ago. So housing starts at this point will pull back a lot more in April and May. But when people start comparing this to the subprime mortgage crisis and the housing crash that ensued there, you saw housing starts plummet over 4 years to the lowest levels at 300,000 starts for single family. We're not going to get anywhere near that. And the reason is because we don't have the same kind of housing market that we had back then. We had a housing market back then that was completely overbuilt. We were at over 2 million units back in 2006. Nobody needed that many homes. Right now, we have a lack of homes. We have a severe shortage of homes for sale on the existing side. And we're not even back to where we should be normally in single family construction. In fact, if you look at household formation before all this started, before the pandemic, we were about 350,000 units short of household formation. That's according to the Urban Institute. So we're going to see these numbers start to come down even more over the next couple of months. You saw builder sentiment drop dramatically, a historic drop to 30, and 50 is considered positive on the National Association of Homebuilders. So you'll see these numbers come back. But toward the end of the year, when the economy starts moving, most analysts, and I believe as well, say that that housing is going to pull us back, is going to be a driver of economic recovery simply because there is just so demand for it.